It's our first day in Cartagena. We arrived last night, so we're just having a little wander around, no real plan. So we've came from La Manga, we've walked through some of the streets and stopping by. What we have here is the clock tower. If you just want to take a look over there, there's the clock tower. As you can see, it's very busy. We've actually been stopped many times by vendors. So, if you want to, get your pesos ready to buy some gifts. I mean, you don't have to, just be polite, say no thank you. But some of the vendors, they'll take dollars. If you don't have any, like ourselves, we'd run out. We've had a little walk along here. As you can see, all the yellow cars are taxis. Here is the waterfront. Let's see, I don't know what this area was called, but there's some like Pegasus and things over there by the water. It looks as though you can do tours from there as well on boats. There's plenty of vendors there, so if you want to do anything, the people come to you, so not to worry. And then here we're just walking through the plaza outside the clock tower, or Torre del Reloj. If you walk through there, there's more stores, vendors, there's little souvenir stores you can stop in. We've just had a little stroll around. There's a lot through there to see. And then this, let me see what this is called. Oh yeah, it says something there about the Pegasus. That's the wall. And then watch for the traffic. You just have to take your chance and walk out. There we go again. See, all these people are selling tours, selling ice creams. Oh, here's a toll ship. Is that coming in? And then this area is in regards to the Pegasus. There's a sign over there. We'll have to check it out. And then that looks to be the flag of Cartagena, I believe, the green, yellow and red. Here we are. It says on here, Centro de Convenciones. So I think this is where a lot of the tours leave from, actually, if you pay around here for one. Oh yeah, I can hear music on, I think, that toll ship over there. And then it says the Castillo de San Felipe over there, which I think is close to where we're staying in La Manga, which is a quieter part of town. It's just over the bridge from Getsemani and the walled city, the old town. It's an easy little stroll. We actually stopped by a yacht club, which was really nice, so check it out. Great views of the naval ships. It's a nice place to take a break. Gracias. Okay, so we just walked along from the clock tower. So, coming along here looks to be where you can catch a lot of the boats to do the day trips. We've actually booked one ourselves. It's going to like 5 different islands. I have to check the name of those now. And then like an add-on to see some plankton, which apparently is really nice, like lit up at night, and you can swim in it if you want. So this is actually quite close to the clock tower. If you're standing outside the front of the clock tower, you can see it. And there's lots of people selling tours, so you don't need to worry, they'll accommodate you. What's this one? San Juan Catamaran. This looks really nice, actually. I don't know if they're setting sail now or just coming back in, but a lot of the vendors are offering excursions right now with open bar, actually. Not sure on the cost, but ours on Friday going to different islands is about $70, which I think is pretty good when you look online and on TripAdvisor, from what I've seen. And there's like the marina. people just hanging out because the sun's setting a little bit, so it's quite hot and humid here. Try and get a little bit of breeze from the sea. And then along here, let's see what's going on. A lot of traffic as always in Colombia, it seems. There's street vendors. Oh, and here's a sign we saw earlier that we haven't done yet actually, and a lot of cities have, is a hop on, hop off bus. If you want to take it easy, just hop on, see the sights in a day or two. And it's in English and Spanish. Look at this boat or yacht. That's very nice, isn't it? Oh, the cannons are behind this purpose glass. But here, back of Phantom Tour. Sounds like a sunset tour actually, I think it's saying there in Spanish. Yeah, look, here's the vendors again. We mentioned all these yellow cars at taxis. Actually, they'll stop wherever you are, let you in. Oh yeah, and this is a bus stop over there where you have to buy the ticket in advance before embarking, isn't it? You buy it from the machine here. Yeah, if you go up to see where those people are, you buy the ticket from the machine in advance before you can enter the bus. And then you check your ticket for which, you know, open in there and be in the correct line to get the bus that you want. As you can see, all the people are waiting at the open section, so their buses may be coming up next. Okay, let's try and cross. Nope, they ain't having it. Gracias. Try. So this one is Bodeguita Station. No more lines. Says charge. Yeah, get on the bus, the best system to use. And you need to have your ticket there to enter. Although we did see some people in Bogota trying to skip the line. So if you do get the bus, the stop Bodeguita brings you right here by the boats. Yeah, and then the bus pulls up to the door or the section where the doors are open, so you can get on the bus. So make sure you get on the right one. Oh, here's the tourist bus, look, going by. 2 floors, it says hop on, hop off. Valid for 2 days. 6 languages. German, Italian, Portuguese, French, English, Spanish. At least you get some shelter from the sunshine and some AC. Oh, there's a bus that looks quite fun. It takes you on a tour and they have music and they stop at, you know, different locations. Is that one too over here? I think it's parked up to the right. We'll have to find where they leave from because they look fun actually. And they do them at night and they have all the lights on, so we need to check that out. It's busy now. It's like 5:30 on Wednesday the 24th of May 2023. Oh, there must be a guided tour up there, look. On the walls of the fort. It's Boca Grande in the distance. Oh, I can hear reggaeton. Here, look, is that the tour bus there? The Vagamundo. See, it looks like there's quite a lot of people getting on this one. Or getting off. Yeah, let's hop on. Vagabundo. Little turismo. We'll have to hop on the next one. Check it out. Get some.
En el tiempo de la colonia vivía la gente más humilde de aquella época colonial, ¿ok? La gente humilde vivía en Getsemaní, ¿ok? En el té, pasa allá. Sí, es ese, pero se queda afuera.
Here we are now at Plaza Municipal in Cartagena. This is a place we stumbled upon, and it's great to check out, and if you want to relax by the waterfront with some music and drinks. It opens daily, I believe, about 5 p.m. and it's made up of food trucks serving different food items, but you don't have to go to each truck individually. Just take a seat and the staff will bring you a menu that covers all the food trucks. As you can see, it's got some nice seating area out here, different coloured chairs, and there's the food trucks, and it looks pretty at night when the lights come on. And this is views of the old town, and then you'll be able to see the toll ships, Boca Grande, and the tourist boats passing by. So this is what we ordered. We had the veggie tacos, and you don't see it in this shop, but because it was so tasty, we ordered another round and also some patatas bravas. And then here is our delicious pina coladas. What could be better than sitting out in Cartagena with these beautiful views overlooking the water and Boca Grande?